Today I'd like to introduce you to the ATX LED CBOX4 ceiling mounted receptacle for LED lights. Many people are familiar with the blue Carlon receptacle. Well, we've re-engineered this with a number of improvements to be applicable for low voltage lighting. First of all, you see the hanger bars, and what's unique about the hanger bar and about the attachment is that this will work with either a truss system with a flat 2x4 or with a vertically oriented 2x8 or 10 structure. So this actually, the edge of this lines up perfectly with the thickness of the sheetrock so that you have the orange can will then penetrate through the sheetrock. So to attach the LED to this, we simply pull out the LED, and it's spring mounted, and inside now we have our room for our LED lighting wiring. So this is a low voltage solution from ATX LED. This is the OJ606 connector, and this is a very simple way then to have the LED pop up into the ceiling, suspended, attached to the structure by the hanger bar. So this is the CBOX4 low voltage can. And what's interesting is that you can also use this low voltage can for other things. For example, a camera can be then installed using the same spring mounts. Or for example, here's a Google Wi-Fi access point that can also be attached using the same spring methodology. So the CBOX4 can support both the flat puck from ATX LED as well as the recessed can, the DL120. Thanks for watching.